Questioner. Was the pyramid then built by the mutual action of many? Ra. I am Ra. The pyramids which we thought built were constructed from thought forms created by our social memory complex. Questioner. Then the rock was created by thought in place rather than moved from someplace else. Is that correct? Ra. I am Ra. We built with everlasting rock the Great Pyramid, as you call it. Other of the pyramids were built with stone moved from one place to another. Questioner. What is everlasting rock? Ra. I am Ra. If you can understand the concept of thought forms, you will realize that the thought form is more regular in its distortion, and the energy fields created by the materials in the rock which has been created through thought form from thought to finite energy, and beingness in your, shall we say, distorted reflection of the level of the thought form. May we answer you in any more helpful way? Questioner. This is slightly trivial, but I was wondering why the pyramid was made of many blocks rather than creating the whole thing as one form created at once. Ra. I am Ra. There is a law which we believe to be one of the more significant primal distortions of the law of one. That is the law of confusion. You have called this the law of free will. We wished to make an healing machine, or time-space ratio complex, which was as efficacious as possible. However, we did not desire to allow the mystery to be penetrated by the peoples in such a way that we became worshipped as builders of a miraculous pyramid. Thus it appears to be made, not thought. Questioner. Well, then you speak of the pyramid, the Great Pyramid, I assume, as primarily a healing machine, and also you spoke of it as a device for initiation. Are these one and the same concept? Ra. I am Ra. They are part of one complex of love, light, intent sharing. To use the healing aspects properly, it was important to have a purified and dedicated channel, or energizer, for the love/light of the infinite creator to flow through. Thus the initiatory method was necessary to prepare the mind, the body, and the spirit for service in the creator's work. The two are integral. Questioner. Does the shape of the pyramid itself, is that a key function in the initiation process? Ra. This is a large question. We feel that we shall begin and ask you to reevaluate and ask further at a later session the somewhat, shall we say, informative point. To begin. There are two main functions of the pyramid in relation to the initiatory procedures. One has to do with the body. Before the body can be initiated, the mind must be initiated. This is the point at which most adepts of your present cycle find their mind-body-spirit complexes distorted from. When the character and personality, that is the true identity of the mind, has been discovered, the body then must be known in each and every way. Thus, the various functions of the body need understanding and control with detachment. The first use of the pyramid, then, is the going down into the pyramid for purposes of deprivation of sensory input so that the body may, in a sense, be dead and another life begin. We advise, at this time, any necessary questions, and a fairly rapid ending of this session. Have you any query at this time-space? Questioner. The only question is there anything that we have done wrong, or that we could do to make the instrument more comfortable? Ra. We scan this instrument. This instrument has been much aided by these precautions. We suggest only some attention to the neck, which seems in this body distortion to be distorted in the area of strength weakness. More support, therefore, to the neck area may be an aid. Questioner. Should we have the instrument drink the water from the chalice behind her head, or should we have her drink from another glass after we charge it with love? Ra. That and only that chalice shall be the most beneficial, as the virgin material living in the chalice accepts, retains, and responds to the love vibration activated by your beingness. I am Ra. I will now leave this group rejoicing in the power and peace of the one Creator. Adonai.